Welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about the premium AdSense publisher account and its benefit. Also we are going to talk about the requirements that you need to achieve for a premium AdSense account. So let's get started. Many people search on YouTube and Google how to get AdSense approval, how to display ads on website through AdSense, and many more. But many less of you know about premium AdSense accounts. So first of all, let us know about premium AdSense publisher account. It is nothing but a pro version of AdSense. This program is for top big bloggers who had completed all the requirements and terms and conditions that Google wants to see on their website. If you also want to apply for a premium AdSense, then you need to work hard on every detail of your website, including your hosting and domains. The best part of premium AdSense is that the returns are much higher than normal AdSense. Now let's see what are the benefits of premium AdSense account. Number 1, ability to predict income. If we talk about the normal AdSense account holder, he has to stay with the ads showing on the website, but the premium AdSense holder has the power to show high cost per click ads on their website. As we can say that this single feature will increase the advertising revenue of your website, and also it means that premium account holder has better income prediction than normal one. Number 2, personal assistant service from AdSense. Premium AdSense will provide you a personal assistant who will give you monthly advice on queries, issues, or any question you have about the ads they display on your website. The Google Analytics team will not only help you to maximize your revenue, but also give you the opportunity to quickly adjust any changes in Google's system. Number 3, maximum number of ads. Now this is the interesting one. If you have a normal AdSense account, you must be aware that AdSense gives maximum 3 ads per page. But in case of premium account, the holder gets 4 to 5 ads per page, and I don't need to tell you that what kind of result this could have on your overall revenue. Number 4, new terms and conditions and less restrictions. If you have a premium AdSense account, then you can remove any restriction of the normal AdSense terms and conditions that you don't like. Google provides a new set of rules to the premium AdSense account holder that makes it nearly impossible to suspend their AdSense account. The premium AdSense account is kind of reward to the publisher who proved themselves by generating organic impression and clicks by not breaking the general terms and condition of AdSense. So these were all the benefits of premium AdSense program. Now let us see what requirements you have to fulfill to get premium account. Number 1, don't break the AdSense rule. Follow all the terms and conditions of Google AdSense and always monitor your traffic closely. Remember one thing, never give any chance to Google to ask any question to the quality of your traffic and ad clicks. You have to play safe and also you have to take care of the terms and conditions. Number 2, generate organic traffic. For a premium AdSense account, you have to maintain your high monthly traffic and you must have constant traffic to your website by 1 million monthly page views and 1 lakh searches per month. If your website start getting the required traffic, then Google may contact you for the premium AdSense account. Number 3, post original and useful content on your website. As we all know, many writers copy content from other websites, but if you're here to generate a good amount of revenue through this, then you have to consistently produce useful and engaging content for your audience. And this quality content will help your website to increase traffic. As I already told you in my second point that organic traffic helps you to get a premium AdSense account. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging and YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.